Welcome to BuySpares. In this video we will show you how to replace the line feeder on a grass trimmer. Important: before replacing a part in any electrical appliance, you must ensure it is first disconnected from the mains. If you find you can no longer feed the line to get the correct length, then it is likely the manual line feeder has broken. Turn the trimmer over and we can see the spool cover here. Apply pressure on the clips on both sides to release the spool cover. Lift the spool and line out and pull the line out of the slots on the side of the spool holder. Use a flat blade screwdriver to lift the spring inside the line feeder. Once it moves up, you can lift the line feeder out. Make sure you fit the spring from the old line feeder into the new one, as it does not come with it. Place the line feeder into position into the spool holder. Push the spring down as you fit it in, otherwise it will not go back correctly, and test it afterwards. Refit the spool and line back into position while feeding the line through the slots on either side of the spool holder. Fit the cover easily by clipping it back into place. And there we have it, one line feeder replaced on a Flymo grass trimmer. For all the spares you need, visit the BuySpares website.